National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ogle County in north-central Illinois until 1:30 p.m. At 12:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Polo, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Byron, Oregon, Mount Morris, Polo, Davis Junction, Stillman Valley, Leaf River, Adeline, and Woosung. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.